Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually heading down to the Rays tribute event. It's just like a Rays wheel sponsored event. If you guys, or if any car has Rays wheels on their vehicle, they are mainly accepted. It's like first come first served basis. But I'm pretty excited. I'm actually going to be meeting up with another Supra owner. Not like, this is probably like extreme glaze, but his like car is like literal perfection. He has like the full Adro kit, and like his steering wheel is pretty cool. But I'll show you guys once I get there. It's actually a pretty gloomy day out, if you guys can see. But my car's a little dirty. I'm gonna try to like wipe it down when I get to the event. It's actually pretty cool because it's like my first like quote unquote event that my car has been into. But I know like in the future when I get more of the Adro kit on the car, I would want to enter it in like Spocom or Wackfest or anything like that. But I'll update you guys once I meet up with the other Supra owner.
Last name?
Kimes, K-I-M-E-S.
Okay, they're gonna give you a raffle ticket.
Okay, cool, thank you.
Get your raffle ticket, you're gonna keep one and then bring the other one to the basement.
Okay, you guys have a good day. Thank you. Good morning, how are you guys?
Just gonna put a sticker on your corner.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
Alright. You're all set.
You guys have a good day. Thank you. Say hello, my friend.
That's good.
A part of me really wants, Jordan says he doesn't want to, but a part of me really wants to do a rig build. I feel like a good start would be like the Land Cruiser or like the Toyota 4Runner. But dude, this is sick. I know Jordan doesn't like it. On the TEs, I really like the lug nuts. You're telling me you really don't like this? This is sick. Can't believe you don't like it. That'll be believed. Even like this one has a shovel on it. This one, I don't want to go camping or whatever, but this is sick. I don't like going camping. It would just be for looks. But we're gonna go find some of this cars so we can get some motivation and buy some stuff.
Down that end, they have spike books.
Yep. I really want to do a rig build, but I don't have money like that.
No, I wish. I really like it.
Would you get seats in yours?
Huh?
Would you get seats? Still want the... See, look, I like it because it's engraved. Damn, he got mud. He has Willwood brakes. Should get some.
Willwood?
See? It's pretty cool too. Interesting. Alright, let's go. I don't know.
BRZ is coming with my old car.
That's a big ass wing.
That's a wing. That's a real wing.
The GTR meetup right here. Alright, which color would you want? The not the M4. I'm talking about. I like the Agile kit for it. Are they R35s? I would pick this one, but
the older one was like
which? Even like the old school classic Porsches, would you put T's on this? This is nice. I don't know if like colors. I don't know if this is Ruby Star, but this is one of the owners from 405. Okay, this color is nice.
oh, it is.
I don't know how good it shows on camera, but this color is like really good. And it has the white wheels. Let's see. This is their Instagram. This color is really good. You like it?
Love it.
Would you ever do this to your car?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. How else are we gonna go into anime convention?
It's actually really cool though. I'm pretty sure he tracks it. Let's see. Let's look at the back. Do you know what anime this is? I don't watch anime.
I don't know.
See? My people. The Filipinos, man. I like these wheels. Even though I'm not like the biggest fan of stickers, I really like these wheels. Like the color, like the cream. Oh look, there's your car. You wanna go look at it? But that one's bagged.
You know, I got this.
See, I really like it because I wonder how they. I wonder if it's different. Like the badge part, it has to be different.
I couldn't find it online.
Someone told me that they did like vinyl wrap for it.
This doesn't look vinyl.
Really?
It doesn't.
No, like other people have done vinyl to it. The fitment's really good. This one's bagged. Oops. Stitch. Oh, you see, these are the ones that I saw. Just buy it.
It's exactly the same fucking build, dude.
No, it's okay. Yours will be better. But these are clean. So you gonna get it?
Looks nice, actually.
Your wheels would be different. Yours will be
I
white.
was really debating how these would look with blue.
Uh-huh.
But
There you go. It's live in the flesh. And this is the duck bill that you want. But yours will be the Street Hunter kit. Right? This is the duck bill that you want?
is this the one that's supposed to come to the market?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is clean.
The premium.
I guess a lot of people modify the Prius. Should I do this to mine? Dude, these wheels are actually really nice. Do you think he's bagged?
Oh yeah.
These wheels are fucking sick. This is the other color that I wanted, or really considered. And, I mean, I'm not too knowledgeable about Priuses or whatever. Dude, even has an exhaust for it. How do you hear it?
I
Like,
think it's just a tip. I think it's
oh, it's just a tip, and it's
really
gritty too. But like, it's a sunroof
I
too.
would compare that as like
I think I have this Prius.
something you wouldn't want to.
I don't know. But look, even has a sunroof.
It's not even the Euro motor, so it's not even like any car. This car's faster. Yep.
Solar panel?
Is that how it is?
No, not on mine, unless he did it.
Besides the numb film,
Homer Simpson. He even changed like the little shift boot.
back in later.
I don't know what front bumper it is, but you should get the tail hood. See, like the way the front like sticks out a lot, like the front wheels.
I have a spoiler and
Oh, that's his car. You should ask him.
And the fourth brake light still needs to be.
And then I think that's the intake now, the red part. You should get that one like black or whatever, so it looks hot.
I like the way it's like.
Look at the plushie. The Nas bottle. Okay, Jordan. This one's like I think this is the red one, the aftermarket one.
What's that?
The red aftermarket taillights, no?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No, I like it when it's white or clear. The Subies are nice too. So this is the car that I told Jordan about. This is like the whole Adro kit. So it has the lip. You like the lip? And then this is the new front bumper too.
Oh,
This is the new front bumper. Different, right? There's more people speaking. And this is the hood. This is the hood that I really want. This is the Saibon hood.
Yeah, that's a nice hood.
And then the guy told me that the side skirts are an overlay, but the fitment is kind of like the carbon looks really good. And then the diffuser.
You
So,
need this.
the side skirts, no?
You need the side skirts. If you're gonna do the
Like, see the diffuser part? Like, if you look at it, I'm scared because I have like the 5-inch tips. Like, look at it. I don't know how much like
clearance you got,
clearance I will have because it looks like it's touch. I don't know if it's like touching and stuff, but like look how much it pokes out.
What do people use for tires these days?
I think you just pull it out more.
What do people
You
use
know,
for
well,
tires?
I don't know how much like if you could play out a little bit more, but it kind of like eats it.
No,
a little bit.
because we have the same one. So
You can like pull it out a little bit.
yeah.
See, this is the how you pronounce it? The
Oh, this is a wank.
no, this is the same one that I have.
No.
I hate you. But like, he's a YouTuber. Just plain. No, I don't know. I love the wheels. And look, this is the Calibers. This is the R33, I think. Yeah, and he lives in like Connecticut or something, like, on the East Coast. He said that I remember watching TJ Hunt's videos. The gold badges are expensive. Dude, those wheels are absolutely beautiful. Clean. I actually like it. I know I like it.
The guy that bought the 400.
No, I like the 300 more. I like the hood though.
I like the fenders on
The
it.
fenders are really nice too.
$400, you gotta pay like 1.1.
You can do this to your car, then sticking with the tree under.
The fender itself is kind of selling it for me. That's sick.
You guys, I'm so sorry. This
I know.
you have a luscious.
Is this your wang?
This guy ran his fingers through it. It is luscious. Alright, I got these socks though, but who's really down to actually change their socks right here?
To be honest, this is like really excessive. This part right here, it's like really excessive. But I mean, for the most part, it looks pretty cool.
That's not too
Could be.
Socks right
I'm gonna choose that.
Right here, everyone.
Yeah.
He's doing it.
cool.
I mean, he's also.
Alright, so we just left the event. Jordan's like literally right behind me. Hopefully you can see him. There's a tunnel right here and Jordan's really scared. Oh, I love the tunnel. Oh, there's Jordan's car. Alright, we gotta chill. There's like a club at the end. I love the tunnels. Alright, we gotta chill. We're gonna go grab food. Car lineup. Just finished with the event. We're gonna go grab some food. I'm excited to eat. We're gonna go get some Mexican
Dude,
food.
I'm fucking hungry.
Starving.
Let me open it at least. Oh goddamn, this is thick, bro. Later.
Favorite car from the event? Or how was the food? How was the food?
Oh, the food? It was bomb. Where did we go?
Benny's Tacos
Benny's
and rotisserie
Tacos?
chicken. Good stuff.
liked
In Westchester.
Get the California.
The California
burrito.
was really good.
Yeah.
What was your favorite car from the event?
Ooh, there's so many cars to choose from. Right here. This one right here.
My Dirty Supra? No.
No, the EKs.
Yeah, the little egg ones. Jordan
All
got some.
gutted out.
I know.
That'd be so nice.
But Jordan got some nice little inspiration for the car. But the other crazy thing is, oh, they got this cat stolen. But the other thing, there was no Street Hunter kit on the BRZ that was at the event. So I guess your car will be a little exclusive. You got a little inspiration for the car.
I saw a car that literally had all the exterior, other than the kit, all the exterior mods I want, and it's the same fucking color of my car.
I know, but
Feels
yours
like
will
I'm
look
just
better.
copying him.
No,
I just
yours
feel
will
like-
look better. All right,
We'll
my
see.
friend. Till next time.
All right, it was fun.
Later. And this is where we will end today's video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it this far, it was a little all over the place just because like once Jordan got to the event, we were just like recording and talking about like some of the cars that we liked and like inspiration for his car. But my favorite car, you guys just heard Jordan's favorite cars. My favorite car would probably have to be the Adrocate Supra, just because I have like the Adro wing, and then like just seeing it like fully on the car and in person is like a whole different ball game. But other than that, I really like a rig. I don't really like camping, but I just like the way that they look. I like the the Toyota Land Cruiser. That car was like really cool. I like it. It was like OEM, but it had like the raised wheels on it, of course, because it was at the event. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my build and Jordan's car. Actually, he bought some parts. It's going to be coming within the next like couple of weeks or so. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we're actually going to be going to the UCLA football game. I can't really like bring in the camera, but I can like record a little bit on my phone. I'm going to be going with Richard and Zeldin, so I'll give you guys like some little updates. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.